Alright, this time we're going to show you how to crimp the cord on one end with a regular hook using the regular pliers. So first, we put the back ring into the pliers. We fold one end at a time into the back ring, just like that, and start squeezing. Once, twice, and now we can put the hook on it. Got a wrong size, and the crimp size is going to hide into the basket of the hook. That way, as you can see, it's not going anywhere. I'm not holding the crimp, I'm not holding anything, but I am holding the hook by itself. This is one end. Now we're going to use adjustable hook on the other side. This is the adjustable hook for 6 millimeters, which is quarter inch, up to a 5/16. We're going to 1, 2, and 3, and the hook is on its place and it's not going anywhere. I hope you like it, and I hope you can do a better job than me. This is quarter inch. Now we're going to do it with 3/8.